Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Cardiel, here to show you how to make orange juice from one of these cans of concentrate. So here I have my can of what's called orange juice concentrate. It's quite nasty if you try to drink it on its own. It does not taste very good. It's meant to be mixed with water. In fact, if you look here, we can actually see that it says keep frozen. Mix with 36 fluid ounces or about 3 cans of cold water, okay? So I can't just have this on its own. I need to mix it with 3 cans of water. So I dump this out and fill it with 3 cans of water. So here I have my concentrate that I'm gonna pour into the glass that I'll be using. And as you can see, it looks quite disgusting. So I've gotten my concentrate in there, but now I need to add 3 cans of water. All right, so here we go. I have my 1 can of water. In fact, this might not be a big enough glass. 2 cups, 2 cans rather. And 3 cans. And now I can mix this up and make my orange juice. It might take a while, but that is how you make orange juice.